ordered it. So we have something coming out tomorrow. Even though we made it like a week ago, we would put tomorrow's date.
Put on there, right?
On here, yeah.
Okay.
So that way when the customer gets it, it's more of a...
Is it with like an engraver?
Yeah, we use the sticker.
Okay. When you guys, next time.
Is this one out of yet?
Do you do that before or after painting?
Well, if we know the date, we'll do it before.
Oh, okay.
Well, like, see, this one right here doesn't have PFP.
So you have a stamp?
I mean, I could put a date on one, and I could just erase it. So you want to?
No.
For sure?
Yeah, I'll wait till you guys do it. Like on the day that you guys have an order, I'll come in because I have morning and evening classes. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but I mean, we just paint it.
And then that's it, right?
Yeah, and then they end up on that shelf over there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you've seen them.
Yeah.
I can show you.
Yeah, no, I think I've seen it. So.
Yeah, there's just a shelf.
Okay.
On that. Here, let's go. I'll show you.
And then it's complete.
They get painted.
And then you guys transport them over there
Yeah.
until they're ready to be packaged and.
We're gonna pallet.
I'm too short.
You like walk right underneath it.
I didn't even have to go. Sucks being short. It's freaking cold. Hi.
And then they'll go right here on this rack.
Oh, okay.
But I mean,